In this video, how to fix Valorant cannot sign in. Sorry, we have a trouble signing here right now. Yes. Okay, first you need to go to Task Manager. In this, you need to check the background app is running or not. Yes. You need to check the background is running or not. Yes. If so, once it's running, you need to end the task. And after, you need to go to run. Click the run. And here you need to write ncpa.cpl. Yes. Click it. Click OK. And after that, you need to this menu will this pop-up will appear. You need to go to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, which you are using. If you're using Wi-Fi, you are going to Wi-Fi. Go to IPv4, and in this you need to use the following DNS sub addresses. You need to give 8888 8844, or you can give 1111 and 1001. You can either give that or this, and after giving this, you need to click OK. Yes, click OK, and once you need to restart it. After that, if it's not working again you can go to services and click services, and scroll down, and here you can see the VGC is there. Go to properties and check whether it's automatic or running mode. If it's not in automatic or running mode, you need to do change the icon, and after that you need to restart. Yes, once it's completed, go back, and here again you need to search for Windows Defender Firewall is that. You need to add the your client in Windows Defender Firewall. Yes, click it, and allow an app or features through Windows Defender is that. Click it, and change setting is that. Yes, click it, and scroll down and check if it is available or not. Once you need to verify yes, your client is available. So make sure it will be in private and public mode. Yes, if it's not available, you can add it. So browse it, and you right click and open the file location and copy the address, and go back to the browse it, and browse it, click browse it, and you can copy the address and paste it here. So easily you can find the root client. So you can see now, then I click add. So you can see now it's added. So this is how to add the root client in Windows Defender Firewall. After that, you need to go to run and go to percentage local app data. Yes, you need to click OK, and whether you need to search your client, and whether you can search the logs and caches available or not. If it's available, you can delete it. So I already deleted it. So do it, and after that restart your PC. Okay.